Moving on to the next slide, ionic bonds and lattice structure. What is a lattice? Lattice is the name of that cubic structure that is formed by these ionic compounds. For example, sodium chloride lattice. This is the name of the shape or the structure. So we know that ionic bonds always form between metallic and non-metallic elements. Metals lose electrons and non-metals gain electrons. And for example, we have magnesium oxide as well, like we just studied in the previous example. And here you are, like you said, we only draw the outermost shell. So the outermost shell of magnesium contains eight electrons as well. And the outermost shell of oxygen also contains eight electrons. Two of them came from magnesium. This is how you show in exam. You have to show the valence shell, you have to show the charge, you have to draw the brackets, you have to name the element, you have to show the gained electrons, and you also have to name the ions underneath the brackets that this is magnesium ion and this is my oxygen ion. Magnesium is a group 2 metal, so we'll lose two outer electrons to form another atom to have a full outer shell of electrons. Positive ion with a charge of +2 is formed. Oxygen, on the other hand, is a group 6 non-metal, so we'll need to gain two electrons to have a full outer shell of electrons. Two electrons will be transferred from the outer shell of magnesium atom to the outer shell of oxygen atom. Oxygen atom will gain two electrons to form a negative ion with a charge of -2. So the formula of the ionic compound would be MgO. So what is the lattice structure? Now the lattice structure refers to the arrangement of the atoms of the substance in a 3D space. In lattice structures, the atoms are arranged in an ordered and repeating fashion. The lattices formed by ionic compounds consist of a regular arrangement of alternating positive and negative ions. So, lattice kya hai? This is what a lattice looks like of NaCl. This is a sodium chloride lattice which contains both the positive ions and the negative ions as well. You can see the negative ions sare kaise arranged hai, and each negative ion is bonded with three positive ions as well on one side. Each positive ion is bonded with three negative ions. So this is the 3D structure of an ionic compound, and the 3D structure of an ionic compound is what we actually call a lattice structure. And this is the end of your chapter number 4 of ions and ionic bonding and lattice structures.